Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about range functions in Python. We can use the range function to generate the sequence of number. Okay, let me show you how it is. Okay, you can type here range, R-A-N-G-E, range, had parenthesis, range function. This is the built-in functions. Just you can like a print and input functions will be there now. So that will like it one. Now here we can pass the value like 5 and this object will returns the range object. Range object means it is an object. It is used to store the sequence of numbers, guys. Okay, now it can be stored in a variable called numbers, N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Okay, now we will going to print these numbers. It will generate the sequence of numbers which are called range object, guys. Okay, then I will click enter. Then I will use the inbuilt function called print. Then inside the parenthesis I will going to type here numbers numbers. Okay, I will run this program, see what's the result of this one. Okay, just run the program. Okay, see here it is going to print 0 to 5 numbers. These are not a numbers, but this is the actually representation of the range object, guys. Okay, here 0 to 5 numbers will be there now. 5 is excluded, guys. Okay, but what we can need to generate the actually numbers, what we can do, anybody knows? It's very simple, guys. You can iterate over the range object. I think you people have learned the for loop in my previous video, right? You can iterate over the list in my using the for loop, right? Here we can iterate over the range object using the for loop, guys. Okay, now instead of printing numbers, I will going to use the for loop. For number number in numbers, then add the column, then we will get a block of code, right? Inside the block of code I will going to print print numbers, number only, because the variable is only number, right? So that's why we will write here number only. Okay, suppose I will run this program, what actually result? The range object will be displayed. Range object means it's directly or indirectly indicating it will generate the sequence of number. Okay, I will run this program. We will see here the message is like this: 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, these are the sequence of numbers which are generated by range object, guys. Okay, and one more thing here, basically for loop is applicable for any objects in Python. Okay, now what if I supply the second value here? Anybody knows how it works and how Python will getting this one? Anybody knows? That is very simple, guys. I will explain now. Then I will pass the second value, that is 9. Okay, see here 5 is considered as a first value or starting value, and the second value is considered as a ending value, I mean stop value. Okay, I will run this program. You are going to getting numbers from 5 to 9, but 9 is excluded. I will run this program. See here what up. Okay, it will going to print the 4 numbers only, because I will given the condition here 5 to 9. Within 5 to 9 it will going to print, guys. Okay, now what it will indicate, I will supply another one number or value. I will type here 2. Okay, what is 2 here? 2 is called as step, guys. Step means it will indicating difference, or you can say it will jump the 2 numbers. Okay, it will jump the 2 numbers in between 5 and 9. Okay, once again I will repeat it, 3 conditions or 3 values here. 5 is the starting value, this is the stop value, this is the step value. Okay, I will run this program and see what happened. Okay, see here 5 and 7 are going to print on the terminal here. So this is the beauty of the range functions in Python, guys. Better I will take I will change these three values for your better understanding. Just wait a second, I will erase it. For your better understanding, I will take some big values for your better understanding. 10 comma 20 comma step we are going to take 2. Okay, now I will run the program and see what happens. Okay, see here 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. It will going to print the even numbers. Why not? Because we will given step as a 2 value, right? So that's why it will going to print the even numbers. Okay, now I will change the just step value. Step we will take as 3. Okay, now it will going to print as a hard number. See 10, 13, 16 and 19. So this is how, and this is where we can use the range functions in Python, guys. And one more thing, range function is as part of the for loop, guys, because we don't want to really needed to store the result in a separate variable, right? So that's why range is as part of the for loop, guys. And one more thing, for loop is basically applicable for all the objects in Python, guys. Okay, I think video will be getting more lengthy, so I will stop here only. Thank you so much for watching this video. Anyway, bye bye, take care.